What is going on, you guys? Kenny Valdez back at it again with another video. Today might be the day, boys. I'm not gonna say too much further because I don't want to jinx Mr. Chinito, but today might be that day. Here's the man himself, Mr. Chinito, or should we call him Chinito? So Chinito found the gasket that he needed for his VTEC solenoid. So he's just installing his VTEC solenoid now with the new gasket. What else, Chinito?
I got another harness, and we got the connectors.
Oh yeah, that's right. So he found some connectors that he was missing off another harness that he didn't know that he had. So we got that situated. Kind of idea what's going to be going on for the rest of the wiring harness.
If we get that done, we can put the fluids in and crank it on.
Yep. Fingers crossed, boys. So let's see how far we get on this today.
But most of this stuff we could use it and base it off that one.
Yeah. So that's why I have my car pulled up here, just as a reference for Chinito's car, because since they're both B series. All right. So again, another update for you guys. Chinito was able to cut off the old plug and put in a new one. Kind of looks OEM, so he's got that connected, his alternator connected now. So now we have to run over to the good old O'Reilly's and look for
Lowe's.
a couple items.
And Lowe's,
And Lowe's as well, I guess. And Chick-fil-A or Chipotle, depending on
whatever
what
he
mood he's
wants.
in.
He's been eating tacos
Yo,
every week.
I don't know about anyone else, but like lately I've been addicted to Chipotle. And I used to hate Chipotle with a burning passion. But about 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, I've learned that they make one of the bombest tacos I've ever had in my life. Now, let me tell you guys what I get. I get the hard shell taco with chicken and the nacho sauce, whatever. Then I got the mild, which is like the tomato and pico de gallo, I think, whatever that is, with lettuce. Sounds super simple, but for some reason, it's so bomb, and I can't stop eating it. So yeah, that's a little backstory to why I'm now obsessed with Chipotle. But yeah, let's head over to the parts store in Lowe's to find those parts and grab something to eat.
Then when I go to work.
Need anything else, or is that it?
That's it.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure.
That boy got hoses on hoses on hoses.
Got all the hoses.
Oh boy! I'm not gonna repeat what he just said. I'm not saying nothing. You might just have to watch the video and find out. Oh shit! Whose man's is this? On my way to. Yep. Oh, got the LZ sticker going. Got a quick release. Automatic. No front bumper gang. Send nudes. I.e. whoever's T-Bone is in the Lowe's parking lot. You got it going, brother. That's one build I'll love to do. You seen that duck bill?
Yeah.
It's fucking fire. I want to be like that dude when I grow up.
M5.8.
Bam.
Shit, that's perfect.
Sometimes you just need a Kenny in your life. Get yourself a Kenny. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. We found him. Dude, you're doing it, bro. Whoever's in that car, you're doing it. God bless that guy.
Did you wave at him?
Yeah, I gave him a thumbs up.
Oh
I
my
gave him a
God.
thumbs up. Dude is doing it in life. I'm telling you.
Guys,
I guess we
Kenny's
can eat
been
Chipotle.
eating like Chipotle for a solid month. That's all his diet is right now, just
Yep.
Chipotle.
Just Chipotle. I'm telling you guys, try it out. Be surprised. And then can I get that?
Pico?
Yep. Nope. And I'll take lettuce.
Lettuce, and that's it?
That is it. So these are the current vibes. Got the pomegranate cherry. Don't mind this is for Astrid, but yo, look at this, bro. Fucking perfection. I wish I had my little pop socket, but I don't. Alright, so we're back from Lowe's and O'Reilly's. So we found the correct size bolts that need to go into the sensor. Fit me. So that's all set.
I bought this hose, this little piece right here for the regulator, and then I bought this top one. Yeah, right there, right?
Yeah.
Nice fucking slice.
Perfect. Put it out perfectly. Not too long, not too short, just perfect. Oh, damn.
She helped me put this on. I was like, how the fuck do you put this on?
Almost got Mariah working on the Civic.
All I heard was this.
Right?
So I walked back
That's
in
all
here
I
and
heard.
she was doing it.
Oh, I got her. I got her, guys. I got her. She's working on the car. She said she swore she'll never touch this car. But here she is. Got her on film.
Hola!
Oh, look
I'm
who it
back
is.
again.
But anyways, guys. So, it is now 2 weeks later, and we are now, well, Chinito and my man's Joselito.
We're gonna send it.
We're gonna be sending it. So, off camera, Chinito has done his braided fuel lines. What else did he do? The hoses is pretty much done. He just has to connect them. Well, finished pretty much wiring everything else that he needed. We've got my man's Joselito over here giving us a hand doing the battery relocation kit. There we go. Bam. And let's see, we're pretty much already there. So he's already put some oil in there already. Just gotta put a little bit of coolant, even though if we're just starting, it doesn't really need coolant. But anyways, did you put your serpentine belt on yet?
No, not yet.
So I guess the last two things is finishing up his battery relocation kit and then putting on his serpentine belt. Connect all the hoses and put his intake on. I don't really think you need it. Maybe yes, maybe so, maybe not. Anyways, so yeah, it's and he put his fuel regulator on as well, as you guys saw. But yeah, exciting stuff here, guys. Talk to me, Jose. Where are we hiding this stuff?
Plain sight.
All right.
Testing purposes.
Testing purposes, I
We
guess.
gotta make sure all the bugs are good, bro, and then we'll make it look pretty.
Gotcha.
Because, you know, if you make something look pretty and they don't work, you just wasted all your time making it look pretty.
True. If anybody knows what he's doing, it's my guy Jose here. And if you guys are wanting to see some nice K-Swap Del Sol content, be sure to go check out his channel. Go subscribe to my man Jose's channel. I'll link his channel down below if you guys are interested in some K-Swap Del Sol content.
Yes, sir.
Moment of truth, boss.
I need the dice.
About to happen.
We're close. Like,
About to happen.
we are making so much progress, and this is honestly motivating me to finish my project even more right now.
Ooh,
So,
that's what I like to hear.
yeah. I think
what I
it's
like
gonna
to
be
hear.
a great summer. A lot of speeding tickets.
Oh boy.
A lot of scoodly-doos and studly pops.
Let's hope not.
Calling out Kenny Valdez,
Oh,
whatever he's got.
shit.
So, yeah. You heard it here, bro.
Oh boy. About to start the car and yep, it said Ripperino. Look at that. Yep, that's why you don't buy eBay, boys.
Yup. So, O'Reilly.
Thank God I had one of these bad boys laying in the cut. You're welcome, Chinito. That's another 3 tacos.
That's it. Tacos.
At this point, Chinito, I think, owes me about a lifetime worth of tacos from Chipotle. Oh boy. Oh. Headlights turned on.
You did?
Yeah. Oh boy. Turn them on, turn them on. Oh snap. The lights turned on. Who was that?
Oh, shit.
I only put bolts in there to hold it, so I still
boy.
have to fucking.
Lights
Hold on,
are
hold on.
on the dash.
Alright, so this is take 1. Just, yeah. Alan,
Send it.
Moment
prime
of
it
truth,
first, prime it a
boys.
couple times.
Moment of truth, boys. You got fuel pressure, definitely.
Off. On. Nothing? He's not going? Okay. I gotta jump something real quick.
You excited?
Shit. I don't know. My nerves are there,
you
but
neutral?
like, yeah, I'm in.
Keep on.
Gotta make sure it's neutral.
I don't know. Till we hear it start choking up and then rumbling to get on, then we know it's real, right? We're going through labor right now.
Oh shit.
That's why.
I fucking knew it. I knew it.
There's no ground to the motor?
He doesn't have a ground to the motor.
There's one on the table. We're gonna
It's another 3 tacos.
That's another fucking 3 tacos.
I was wondering, like, wait.
So, we forgot about the ground that goes to the motor, so we're gonna take it off the yellow Integra that we still got.
All right, guys, we're at the junkyard. Alan, where's the tin? All because of a ground, everybody.
Well, you know, we don't know yet, but I'm just saying. I forgot.
It's always the little things, right?
Yeah.
So I got that ground to the motor. Moment of truth.
Here we go.
2. Yep, go ahead and prime it.
Keep on.
Stop.
Stop.
Yeah. First signs of life, alright? Alright, take 3.
Here we go. Here we go. Prime.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
What's up? What you think?
Bad fuel.
Prime.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We got a runner, boys. I want it. There we go. There we go. There we go.
It's running
There
off
we
a little
go.
bit. The distributor needs to be adjusted. This needs to be in the middle. That way. You gotta move that. You still gotta like plug up some of these little. That's why I put my finger here, because it was pulling air from there. But for the most part, it runs.
Hell yeah,
It
brother.
runs. It starts up quick, so we're gonna have a little LSV
On the streets
on
soon.
the street soon. Just gotta work out the bugs and gotta put some fresh gas in it. So that's what gas that's been sitting for a year. So put some fresh gas in it. So I mean, for the most part, it runs, bro.
Hell fucking yeah.
Alright, so on the other one, it seemed like it just had a little bit of a misfire on his other ECU. So they plugged in a different ECU and see if it will run a little bit smoother. So this is take 5 or 6 or 7.
Other ECU had a base map on it.
Yeah.
This one is virgin, full virgin. So we're gonna see if virgin helps.
Alright, let's see.
Here we go. Here we go. Take 47.
Alright guys, that's probably where we're gonna end today's video. Yo, Chinito, I must say, did a lot today. Couldn't believe it actually started. Running a little bit rough, but only because I think it's the bad gas. So he's gotta put some fresh gas in it. I guess the next video is gonna be probably buttoning up what he's gotta button up and go for his first drive. But yeah guys, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you for everyone that's been watching the videos and keeping up with his build and supporting me by leaving a comment or giving me a like. I truly appreciate it. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.